Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Let's make this fun activity to help kids learn about emotions. We're going to start out with a piece of cardboard. Since I can't trace a perfect circle, I'm going to use a plate. I'm going to use a plate to trace a circle on a piece of cardboard. After tracing the circle, you can draw two rectangles in the circle, one on top and one on the bottom. Now you're going to cut out the circle. You're also going to cut out the two rectangles that are inside the circle. Save the rectangular pieces of cardboard because we will use them later. Now you're going to cover your circle with the rectangles with whatever color you want to. I'm using yellow. Next, you're going to need to draw and cut out another circle that's exactly the same size as the first one. Now, cover the center of your circle with some white paper. After that, you're going to glue both circles together. Once it looks like this, we're ready to do the next part. Remember the two rectangles we saved from before? We are going to make a bunch of rectangles that are exactly the same size. Then we're going to cover them all with yellow paper. Now we're going to draw some eyes and mouths that show different emotions. You can draw angry eyes by slanting them down and coloring the insides very dark. You can also draw different kinds of mouths, a squiggly mouth or a happy mouth. So just try to make the eyes and the mouths very reflective of different emotions. Now, once you have a bunch of different eyes and different mouths, you're ready to use the activity. One way to use the activity is to give the circle to your child and ask them, "How do you feel today?" And they can show you how they're feeling by placing different eyes and mouths to show different emotions like sadness or happiness or confusion. Another way is for them to try to match different feelings. So you can draw faces on cards and have them try to match that face. While doing this activity, you can ask your child, "How do you think this face is feeling? How do you think this person is feeling right now? Are they happy or sad? If they're sad, why are they sad? What things make you sad?" This helps them talk about their emotions in a safe environment. It also helps them understand the emotions of people around them by looking at their face. This is a good way for them to learn about body language and how to be able to read people. Another way to play this, or another way to use this, is by putting words on cards like surprise and asking your child what they think surprise looks like. They can show you what they think surprise looks like, or what sad looks like, and that could look different to different people. So a sad face for me might not look the same as a sad face for someone else, or an angry face might not look the same. It's up to your child to pick what they think represents that feeling, and then you can have a discussion about that. This activity is really good to help young children work through some big emotions. Let them know that it's okay to feel scared, angry, or frustrated, but that they need to talk to an adult that they trust to help them work through those feelings. I hope you enjoyed making this activity, and I hope your little ones enjoy learning and exploring different emotions.